Thane.
Hi, I am Romil.
नहीं अभी नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ
हुआ ना?
स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ है जब भी मैंने रिदम हुआ
हाँ ठीक है ना.
हाय आई एम Hre.
Hi, I am Romil, and we are the father and son duo who are starting something new today, right?
Yes.
What are you doing today?
Today we are going to a vintage car rally and where we are going to see more vintage cars.
Yes, old cars from the 60s and 70s is what we're going to see. We are starting a new channel actually, and both of us will be coming on that channel, on the YouTube channel. So let's see how it goes.
Music bed.
So here we have the Fiat 500. Which one is this? This is a Malicento from 1954.
1100.
1100. This is Ronnie's car. This is Fiat 11 Elegant. More 1100s. That's the Fiat Super Select 1963.
Music bed.
Kiddo? With California number plate.
ये सब बोलना
These are the quintessential Premier Padmanis that we've seen on the roads. Taxis. That is the old Maruti 800, the first, the dinky. Which one did you like, sir? Which? The first one. That you can drive that, no? But it has a manual, which is what you like. Does it have the cloth roof? Did it have the cloth roof? It did?
Music bed.
The lovely Buick. We'll see the details. Yeah, sure. Tell me.
We'll have to blur the
Give me the details. What car is this?
blur the
Tell me. Hmm?
VW Phaeton.
Yeah, just like the VW Phaeton. This Buick Phaeton from 1938. It's Gautam Singhania's Buick. Hmm.
The face is
Like that. Which one is this? Same color back, is ऐसा face है. What is the name? It's the Hudson Terraplane, 1937. Again, Gautam Singhania's car.
पर repainted है.
How do you know? Repainted.
कैसे दिखता है बोले?
It's repainted, you think?
Ford quadricycle.
This is the Benz quadricycle. The wagon.
The Ford is the quadricycle. This
Yeah.
is
The Ford is a quadricycle, and this is the wagon.
not the
You've seen this before. You've seen this before, right? Where have you seen this one?
I've seen at another event.
Yeah. You've seen the Mercedes-Benz CEO driving it
Yes,
and making kids
but that
sit with him.
this is not the real one.
Music bed.
You think so? You think it's functional?
It is functional, but it's not the real cycle. Quad.
Quad means 4.
Quad.
Yeah.
880.
What is that?
Drag racing car?
That's Cord. CORD 810. Owned by Vivek Goenka.
Let's go ahead. Papa,
Is that a custom built car?
Phantom 2. Too big lights, Papa.
2 huge headlamps.
Studio lights.
Yeah, these are like studio lights.
Trafco N.
This is the Rolls-Royce Phantom 2 from 1930, owned by Vivek Goenka.
नेम देखो
Rolls Royce Wraith. Another one, Rolls Royce Silver, 1947. It's a smaller one. Which one is this? It's a Bentley. From Bentley Mark 6, 1947. Lovely color, yeah. Beautiful color. It's an olive green, metallic cream color.
So this is the Ansaldo. There's no other name. There's only written Ansaldo, and it's from 1922. It's as old as the Ford Model T.
Yeah, it looks like.
Looks like
similar.
it looks.
So there are no pillars in the middle.
Yes, there are no because
Pillarless.
it's like a comfortable ride.
Yeah, it's like.
This is the Elvis with very big headlamps. It is an Elvis from 1933.
How many head? ऊपर चल रहा है ये इधर आप लेके जा रहे हैं.
Ignition.
That is the ignition, correct. Still black wheels. Look at the black rims. Looks like a hot rod from Sanguine.
And this is the Ford Model A. It's from 1930. And there's an ignition key over. There's an ignition cover over here. You have to put an ignition key, and you have because there were no keys when this car had come, so you had to do like that.
There was a handle sort of a thing, a lever which you had to turn and start the car.
And this is the Ford Model A.
Cappuccino beige.
And this is the
Wolseley
Stellit from 1914. It's in yellow and it's repainted. It looks like some small
You
boy
can see
has
the handle.
done
You
it.
can see the ignition handle.
And this one has a ignition handle on this. You have to turn that and then it will
Start the
start.
starter motor.
Because that time there were no keys inside.
And 6 years old. On. This is the A1 SS.
A1 SS from
The red and black
1933.
paint scheme.
It has red and black. And this is from the side.
Music bed.
We have come at this place. You can come next year if you want to.
You can go right to left, Honda.
This is a Honda. The name is not written
It's a
again.
moped, right?
And it's from 1957. It looks like a moped.
This is like a cycle, but it's a moped.
And this looks like a cycle, but it's a bike of Royal Enfield.
Moped like this. We know Enfields with big bikes.
In Royal Enfields are big bikes. This looks like a cycle, but it's a bike.
TVS.
And this looks like a TVS moped.
This one is, you see this.
This
Papa has
looks like
ridden
a
this. This is
Yamaha.
RX100.
You have ridden
I have ridden this.
from
Uncle has this, so
1987.
I used to ride this. So this is obviously in much better condition.
Yes.
This one, even RX100.
Wait, we'll have to go for seeing. Come on. This is the RX100 of Yamaha from 1986.
You want me to take?
ब्लॅक सेम कलर या तिन्ही मॉडेल आहेत ना, तिन्ही मॉडेल आपल्याकडे बघा. 83
Yamaha RX100, Yamaha Rajdoot.
आपल्याकडे होते सगळ्या गाड्या.
Pigeon.
Lambretta LI 150 series, 1958. Beautiful scooter. I love the headlamps. Placement of the headlamp.
And look how that is placed.
Yeah, and there's
Look
a
at the mirror, it's so down. There's no mirror in that.
the Vespa 150. That's the owner, it seems. That Vespa from 1967. This is a Lambretta Series 2. And there's a Bajaj Chetak.
What is this? Priya?
Yeah, Priya. So this is a Norton E52.
E52.
E52. Triumph Tiger 100 1956.
That Triumph.
ये Triumph अभी भी है, ये Tiger अभी भी है ना रेंज में Triumph का.
Why is it so dirty?
This isn't maintained that well, I believe, with the tank.
It's Tiger, Papa, not a
Viking.
tank. It's a Tiger.
Yeah, it's a Tiger.
Because it's from 19... And this is from 1958. Royal Enfield is just written on Enfield.
This Subodh uncle.
And this is a military bike. Nothing is written on
I
it.
think it's a Enfield only by the
It
cover.
could be a Royal
Enfield,
Enfield.
You can see on the cover.
What is written on
This
it?
was used in the World War. You can see the cap.
Yes, I can see that.
You come from here.
I can see the cap on the
So the army and
The hat
hat.
that he has is it's a metallic hat.
It's metallic, but it's used, so that's why it's dirty. What is this? Royal Enfield from 1961. Pilot. What is this? A relic.
और आगे देखो.
You lit it. From 1960. There are a lot of over here. And I don't know why is there a Formula 1 car, yo.
हाँ लोग का खुद का बनाया हुआ है.
Somebody has made a Formula 1 car for the look.